Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is the season finale of Scratch That, and tonight we are making a super easy chili recipe. I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, let's make some chili. So I'm going to use some Italian sausage and ground beef. I love mixing those together. So I put in 1 pound of ground beef in my skillet. I'm adding in a ½ teaspoon of seasoned salt, a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, and guess who's back? Yeah, a ½ teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. I missed it, y'all. And then I sprinkled in some black pepper. That's about a ½ teaspoon as well. And this is 1/8 cup of diced green bell pepper, and I'm just going to mix all that together. Now I'm going to add about 1/4 pound of that Italian sausage to the ground beef mixture and just kind of break it up and then stir it all together. So I have this cooking over medium heat, and I just kind of stir it around just until it gets nice and brown, just to make sure everything gets incorporated in until it looks like this. So once it's nice and brown, you want to remove it from the heat and you are ready to mix up your chili. So I added the chili into my pot, and I want to go ahead and get ready to add in all of my seasonings. So the first seasoning that I'm going to add in is going to be 1 can of tomato sauce. And then I'm going to put in 1 can of undrained pinto beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and 1 package of McCormick chili mix. And I use the mild, but if you like the spice, go ahead and kick it up. And then I'm just going to drizzle in just a little honey. I usually use brown sugar, but I didn't have any, so honey works just the same. And you just want to put this over medium-high heat until it comes to a nice boil. So now that it's nice and boiled, you want to go ahead and reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, the chili is done and it is time to eat, you guys. I made me some peanut butter sandwiches because that's how I like to eat my chili. My husband loves these oyster crackers, and we both love shredded cheese and sour cream. And I also have some green onions. So I just sprinkled a little cheese and some onions onto my chili, and it is time to eat, y'all. All right, the moment of truth. Delicious. The sausage and the ground beef work great together. Add cheese and the green onions for that crunch. It is absolutely delicious. You guys, thank you so much for tuning into this season of Scratch That. You can watch all of the previous episodes on my channel. Just click on the playlist and click on Scratch That. Also, I have an Instagram page called Better Than Scratch. I'll put that down below me so you guys can see it. And I'll be posting recipes from my channel and also some new recipes that you guys can keep up with until we come back. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I am going to finish my chili. I'm out. Peace.